Our 47-inch black wood restaurant dining table. First off, the overall dimensions. The length, we have at least 47.25 inches in length. And for the depth, we have at least 23.75 inches. Table is a fold out. So when we retract the legs left to right, you'll have this table that's perfectly positioned, which can be used anywhere. And the height from the bottom to the top, we're looking at least 29.25 inches. Measurement for the legs only, we have at least 27 inches tall. That's from the bottom all the way to the top of the base, holding the main table on top. And the thickness of the table itself, the height, we have at least 1.5 inches. Our 47-inch black restaurant dining table. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.